Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the SteelSeries Rival 600. Pull the box out of the packaging, and you will see a very nice paragraph that exalts gaming on top of it, and also a picture of Team EG's Sumail. Anyways, open up the box, and you'll see the mouse, and you'll notice there's no cable attached to it. This is because the cable that comes with it is detachable. The extra weights are also packed nicely separately. The design of this is pretty much similar to the Rival 310, except that it has a few more bells and whistles to it, and it is slightly bigger. There are two RGB LED strips that spreads out from the middle of the mouse, an illuminated SteelSeries logo on the palm rest, two face buttons which slightly curve in, the scroll wheel, and the DPI adjuster just under it. There are only 3 customizable buttons on the side, and this is actually the first time I've ever seen or tried a mouse like this, but you get used to it. I actually prefer the buttons like this because I found that when gaming, you won't accidentally click on them, and this is one of the most interesting but cool designs that I've seen on the mouse in quite a while. There's a soft touch surface over the top of the mouse, so wherever your palm and your fingers rest, it feels very nice. There's also 2 pieces of rubber on the sides of the mouse, so you get a more secure yet comfortable fit. Unfortunately, this is not an ambidextrous design, so left-handed gamers will have to bear that in mind because, as I said, the controls are only located on one side, so this is more meant for right-hand gamers where their thumb can easily click on the buttons. The sides of the Rival 600 are removable, and they're pretty easy to remove because they just use some magnets to hold them in place. Why would you need to remove the sides? Because this mouse enables you to add in the extra weights that they provide. So the original weight of the mouse is 96 grams, and with the optional set of 8 weights, which is 4 grams each, and you can put 4 in each side of the mouse, you can bring the total weight of this mouse up to 128 grams. It's actually very easy to put the weights in because you just remove the side and there are little slots to slot the weights in, and it's super simple. So say I want to put 3 and I just close it back up. And there we go, the weights are in place. On to RGB lighting. The Rival 600 has 8 different zones of lighting, so you can mix and match, pick and choose your desired lighting and customize it all to fit your style perfectly. All this can be done through the SteelSeries software, but in all honesty, the software is a bit finicky because you have to constantly ensure you're tuning the right zone, and some of the lighting cycles require you to loop it manually and so on if you want the perfect cycle. The Rival 600 is a SteelSeries mouse performing at its finest. There is a TrueMove 3 sensor located on the inside, which is the same as the Sensei 310, which is a mouse that we've covered in the past, so I'll leave a link to that in the description box below in case you want to check that out. The TrueMove 3 sensor offers a max sensitivity of 12,000 CPI and one-to-one tracking at up to 3,500 CPI, so when you play games like CSGO or PUBG and you're missing your shots, you can be sure that it isn't the fault of your mouse. Even in mobile games like Dota 2 or RTS games such as StarCraft 2, the sensor ensures that as long as you position the mouse correctly and you're looking at the screen properly, you will be clicking on the right units at any given time. There is also a secondary sensor in this mouse which is supposed to stop your cursor from drifting when you lift the mouse off any surface. Personally for me, I've been using the Razer Lancehead and other mouses and haven't experienced any drifting whatsoever even when I lift up the mouse, but hey, it's a good function to have in case you do experience drifting from other mouses. This mouse comes in at 80 USD or around 150 SGD. This mouse is packed with so many features that, to me, the price is not the cheapest in the market for sure, but it is very reasonable. If you want to customize the weight of the mouse on the go, say for different genres of games, or make it as light as possible when you're doing daily tasks, this is super easy to customize. The mouse is accurate, looks aesthetically pleasing to me at least, has RGB, albeit the software could use some improvements, but overall, the Rival 600 is just gorgeous and it doesn't have anything super epic built in, but for any player that likes customizability, this is perfect. I can probably go as far to call this, for now, the best mouse for 2018, especially if you're a right-handed gamer. So let me know in the comments below, what mouses do you use to game and what are your favorite mouses for different genres of gaming. like and subscribe for more gaming peripheral content, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!